Gusto mo.
Oh my goodness, this is so good. You guys, this is moringa, olifera, or malunggay, kamunggay, whatever you call it. Depends on wherever you are. But that's a super food. And that's best for soup. Any kind of soup in the Philippines. Fish soup, seashell soup. Oh, this is good. You add malunggay and it tastes really good. Alright. Higop na mga kawigits. Tara na. Salamat.